guys, what's up? Today is another Wildflower Cases unboxing video, but because I only have one case to show you today, I have a little surprise for you at the end. We are doing nail designs of the case that I will be showing you. I'm so excited about it. You saw the thumbnail, so you already know the vibes. It's gonna be rocking. Anyway, you guys have been asking me for nail designs of my Wildflower cases for a while, so we're finally doing it. It's gonna be good. And I've decided we are obviously gonna make Wildflower Cases nail designs a little series here on my channel, so definitely wanna subscribe for that. Don't forget to enter my Wildflower Cases gift card giveaway. I'm giving away 10 Wildflower gift cards to their website for $25 each. The giveaway will be over once I reach 2,500 subscribers here on my channel, which we are moving right along towards. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below in the comment section telling me what kind of videos you want to see from me moving forward in the future, and give this video a thumbs up to enter. Let's get started. Any other details about the giveaway will be in this video right here, so go ahead and click on that when you're done with this video if you need to. Hi, welcome to my face. Because I know you guys love my jewelry, I finally did the jewelry video you guys have been asking me for like crazy. You guys have been asking relentlessly for jewelry videos, so I finally did one. It's right here. Okay, check it out after this one. Let me give you a little voguing moment. All right, so now time for my new ting. Speaking of tings, do you guys want me to do more Wildflower Cases String Ting inspired DIY phone charms? That's such a long thing to say. Anyway, do you want me to do more of those for this case and the last few that I got? Let a girl know. Oh, baby, come on. Come to mama. Ooh, what the heck? It's so sick, you guys. This case is so sickening. What on earth? So good.
All right. Gonna learn today.
Oh my gosh. You guys, for whatever reason, I was just floored when I saw this case. It's perfect. All right, let's take my current case off, which is my Wildflower Cases jewel case with my little DIY string ting. All right, let's get our new girl. Ooh, all right, ready to go. Shut up. Oh my gosh. What? This is so pretty. So pretty. I love you, pretty girl. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, so good. I love you. So guys, what I love about this case is that it has like this deep emerald forest green backdrop going on, which is perfect for spring, summer, fall, and winter. It really is just like seasonal, all year round type of deal. Anyway, we also have oranges and our greens and our blues and our reds. It's just, it has everything. This case has absolutely everything that you could possibly want, and it is so beautiful. Freaking out about my new case, and I cannot wait to do nail designs and nail art to match, so let's do that now. So these are all of our supplies for our nail project. I even went out and brought proper paintbrushes from the craft store yesterday for this project because you're gonna need them. By the way, these of course are the new stickers that came with the new Wildflower Bloom case. Okay guys, so I have done the manicure portion, I've done the paint job. I think it's turned out pretty well so far. I've really never painted my nails that well before, so I'm real proud of that. Anyway, it is really difficult to do the flowers, but I'm getting through. I think we are looking a lot like the Wildflower print, if I can be honest. I'm gonna keep continuing, and then we will go ahead and do my whole next hand together. Right here guys, I'm doing the first coat of green nail polish. I did 2, but if your nail polish is very thin, do up to 3 and let it dry for about 2 to 3 minutes between coats. Now on to the process of painting on our flowers and our pollen. After a rough draft of the flowers, I go back in again and deepen the color with more paint. Down below in the description bar, I will go ahead and link all of the colors or similar colors that I used to make this look. The last step is to seal in your color with a clear top coat and add some cuticle oil. This is it. They are finished. Please, please, please let me know down below in the comment section what you think. If you think I did a good job. This is my first attempt at nail art in my entire life. At the very least, I mean, I'm not trying to be conceited, but I think it looks identical to the Wildflower case when I hold my nails up next to it. Don't you think? Let me know. Be honest. give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more nail art. If you are still watching the video at this point, leave me a green heart emoji in the comments section. If you have anything at all at any point ever to say to me, leave a comment down below in the comment section as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is always right here. If you need something to do, go ahead and click on this video above. If you want something to do with your time, I would highly recommend. It's my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.